Hello guys, now in this tutorial I will tell you how to select dimension and trim the line and select your part. Okay. In the previous video we discussed about the line, how to draw the line and basic commands. So in this tutorial I will tell you how to give the dimension and trim the line. Select your front plane, normal, choose a soft spotlight. Okay. Now again choose your front plane, normal, select a line, draw a line, draw again a line passing through the origin point, select here and now here and this line. Now select and go to trim entities. Select here trim entities and go to power trim. Power trim select and click left and drag it like this. Click left and drag it. Okay, so this is power trim and corner trim is select this line and this line. Now see this is extra part is trimmed and okay. Now again draw some lines like this. Select okay. Now again go to trim entities, trim away inside. Select this line and this line. Okay, so you can see this is away inside the line. You can trim outside the line. Now okay, again choose trim entities, trim outside of and select this line and this line. Now trimmed it. See here, trim and trim to closest. This line you select, then you see here. This is trimmed. Select here trimmed, and now how to give the dimension and select again a new page. Select your part. Select your front plane, normal, sketch, make a drawing. Now okay. Now okay. And select. Make a circle in the center point of this line. Okay. And go to trim entities. Select a trim to closest and select this part and this part. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now simply go to smart dimension and select here this circle and you can keep dimension is 30 radius. So this is also 60. Select this point and this point, keep dimension 100 this point and this point keep dimension 20 okay. Now if you want to zoom and zoom out and zoom in, then you can drag your mouse and select smart dimension again and keep dimension 80 okay. This is right. Select your circle again and draw the circle from the center point of this circle and draw a circle again and keep the dimension is 50 dia. Now see and go to trim entity, select a power trim, drag it like this and drag it. See,